Hi friends, welcome to the new session of report writing using Microsoft Word. Today we are going to discuss about the first session of our training program, that is section break. So how to use section break in one single document. For example, if I show you a simple document, this is a document, a sample document what I have prepared. In this document, if you see, this is the front page of the document. And as you remember that the previous first introductory section I have shown that usually there is a trouble to remove page number from the document. If you see in this document, there is no page number in the front page, whereas the page number starts from the second page where it is in Roman letters. Then new page, it continues. Then we are having a page in between which is in landscape mode. This is usually somewhere when we are working with some projects or reports where we need to show a larger image or a table. There, this is also required. Somewhere we'll have to put a page in landscape mode within one document. So now here this is landscape. Then after that the page continues in the same portrait. Now the page number continues to page number 4, then it goes to the new page where you can see the page number is coming with the starting with number 1. So this is very essential because when if you are not able to do this, I have seen how students usually handle this. What they do is that they put first page into a new file, new document, then page number 2 to this page into a new document, then this page become a new document, then this page become a new document, and from here it becomes a new document. Such way students manage this thing, but that is not the right way to do that. So we are going to discuss how to do this thing. So this is a sample document what I have already prepared, and today's session will be basically concentrating on this section breaks only. So all these things what are discussed right now is actually about the session break. So now let us open a new document, new Microsoft Word document. I'll open. So open a new document. Okay, so file, new document. Now when you open a new document, this is the page you are getting. Now this first page what I have introduced is my title page. In title page is different, there the format is different, there the content is different, everything is different. Now I am going to write the title of this report, that is Microsoft Word by Dr. Prabin Sukumaran. Now this is the title of the page. Let us put it into a bigger size. Then this is by Dr. Prabin. Let us put it into little bigger size. Now after that I don't want anything else to write here. April 2020 is the year. Now I have to go to the next page because I don't need any more details here in this front page. Now going to the front next page, press enter. No, this is not what we usually do. This is what we should do, but this is not how we should do. What you have to go do, we have to go because this page and the next page should be different in their format. So I need to say this thing to the Microsoft Word. My first page should not be detached from the second page. For that, what we are going to do, see carefully, this goes to layout. Then when you go to layout, there is one point called break. Then go to the section break and next page. Okay, so here this is the page, it is introduction. Okay, so it's a spelling mistake, introduction. Then now next pages, now next 3-4 pages what I'm going to have, it is going to be the same orientation, same continuity, same link. I don't need to break it into sections. Then what we go, insert page break. Page break actually gives into a new page, but these two things will be same. How do we know that whether this is a section break or page break? For that, what you have to do, we have to go to the header portion or a footer portion and double click. Now you see here, this is footer section 1, this header section 2, or if you go down, it will show that it is section 2. Now one thing you will see, this is footer section 2 and same as previous. So this actually indicates when you, even if you did break these documents into two parts, these things are going to be the same format or the same style. So I need to break this connection between the previous document, previous section and to the new section. For that, what I have to keep my cursor on the header, and now you can see that this part it is highlighted. So I need to just click once on this. Now you see that it has gone. It has gone, and now this is header 2 session is different from header or the header 1 session. Now similarly, you have to do one more thing, keep the thing in footer, and now remove this. Now close this header footer thing. Now if I go to do anything, for example, I'm going to convert this part into a landscape mode. What we need to do, go to layout, orientation, landscape. Okay, now you see first page is portrait, second page is landscape, and third page is also landscape because I did not put a break here in the second page. Now if I need to put a break here or new page here, then go to insert, sorry, layout, then break, next page. Now repeat that, next page. So now this is my front page, first page, second page and third page. Now the third page, second page, third page and fourth page all are of same orientation, it continuing the pattern. Now I don't need that. What I need to do, I need to do the same thing, break this, keep the cursor on the header, remove the link, keep the cursor on the footer, remove the link, then close, select this page, layout, orientation, portrait. Fine. Now whatever formatting you do here on this page is not going to transfer to this page. Whatever formatting you are going to do here in these two pages is not going to transfer to this page. For example, I'm going to write a footer here. This is um, topic or something. So that will be reflecting here in this page. Is it? This is topic. Okay, so that will be seen here, but I can easily delete it from here, but it will not delete from the previous two sides. See this? Okay, so this is how so ultimately the essence of this different sections, it is breaking the documents into different sections. If you do this section break, then you can do the page number. Now next thing is the inserting the page number. Insert, go to page number on the center, format, Roman. Okay, okay. Now see, page numbers are coming from this page. Page number is not here, correct? The page number is not here because I did set it page number only here. Now if you need page number here, do the same thing, page number, center, format, Roman, okay, and okay. So it continues. Now if you want to delete this page number from here, delete it, and select this page number, then go for the format, page number, start at 1, okay. See, there is no page number here, but it is having a page number here. It will continue to this also we need to put it into page number, format page number, style, it is 1 2 3, continue from the previous. Okay, so that continues, and here the page number is not given because page number is session 4. Now if you need to insert page number here, then go to the page number 4, insert page number, page number. So this session, suppose it is a new style, I want the normal number, so I put it on the right hand side and the page number starting from 1 and start at 1. Okay, okay, so page number comes on the right hand side, page number is 1. So all these things, the key to all these different activities in different pages, the key is the section break. To do the section break, let me repeat it once. To do the session break, if you need only a page break means it will continue. So for example, if I put the page break, this is footer section, this is footer section 4, this is same sessions. But if you need a break in the section, that means you are going to go to layout, break, next page. So if you put that layout or the section break, then this is section 4 and here it is section 5. What we need to do, we need to remove the link. Removing the link is from here, select, put the cursor on the footer or header, remove the link, cursor on the footer, remove the link, then close. So even if the documents are in continuous, but these are all different sessions. So each chapter we can divide into different section. Content page we can put it into different section. References we can put into different section. While putting it into different sections, that will help us to remove or continue the document in one single file, but different sections. So I suggest all of you to practice this thing once and make a practice of this, and if you do it for a couple of times, then you will remember this for every time, and if any time if you forget, this video lecture will be always there to help you to get it in your lifelong time. Please subscribe my channel so that you can go back to this Word document tutorials at any point of time.